Hey guys, what's up? So today's video I'm gonna try to get rid of the engine service light on my car. I bought one of these guys, 20 bucks. I figured it'd do the trick because I did some research and I saw that these actually really do work. So instead of me paying like 200-300 bucks, you know, I figured why not, 20 bucks, you can't go wrong. Everything was all brand new, as you can see. I tried it out and sure enough it didn't work. It just would not read. I'm not sure why. Maybe it could be defective. So luckily I was able to borrow one from my brother-in-law, and it's pretty much the same thing, almost identical. It's a lower model. It's just a lower model. So I'm gonna try to remove the engine light with this. Let's see here. Like, I gotta turn the car on for you. Show you the engine light still on. Okay, so let me turn the ignition on just to show you the engine lights on. Okay, so I'm gonna scan it. Scanning could take a few minutes sometimes. Hopefully this one works, because the one that I just bought showed you in the package there. I just opened up today. That one did not work at all. That's, I don't know, that's just defective, I guess. I tried everything, man, and nothing worked. It says check my connection. Obviously it was tight. My ignition was on. Did it so many times and just nothing wouldn't read. So I was lucky to, you know, be able to get this one off my brother-in-law. Hopefully this one's gonna scan and be able to read some codes out here. Okay, it is reading. Okay, so you want to scroll down to, this is the, nope, I want to just go to erase. Yeah, fault one. Okay, anyway, exit out of that, go down to the erase button, hit enter on yes, erase done. Okay, perfect. Now you want to rescan it just to make sure that no other codes are found. Engine light's still on. Engine light's still on. Okay. So let's check it out. Is there any codes found? No codes found. So here we go. Let's shut off the key there and we turn on the car. Make sure the light's off. There you have it, guys. Engine light is off. Okay, so this is the one that worked on my car, and this is the one that I ordered that didn't work. So I'm just gonna return this item and get a new one sent back to me, or just get a refund. So I don't know. But either way, they do work. This is the older model. It's the Auto Link AL301, and this is pretty much the same thing, but it's the MS309. Again, this one didn't work on mine. I'm not sure, it wasn't able to read at all, so I'll get that sent back. But it does work, so it's worth a shot. It's worth buying and trying on, you know, on your car if you're having issues with the engine check light. So there you go, guys. So it goes to show you this little guy does work. You can save yourself a lot of money, man. Save yourself a lot of money instead of going, you know, to the shop and paying a mechanic. I don't know how much it costs nowadays, but yeah, for 20 bucks instead of paying 200 bucks or even 100 bucks, 150 bucks, whatever the case may be, or the price may be, that's still a lot of money, man. So for $20, engine light's gone. It's on a BMW, so you know, I saved myself a ton of money. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace. Oh shit. The Lexus. Lexus, the new kit, new rims. Dang. That's crazy. I had to take this. That's sick. The back bumper, eh? That's crazy. The back grille, holy shit. So that's what they did for you when we picked it up? Yeah. Like they molded this? Wow, man. Yeah, that's sick, dude. That is sick. Did you put exhaust on it or no? No? Shit. Alright, guys. You guys going home? Give Uncle a pound. Give me a fist bump. Okay, bro.
Alright, cool.
Alright, guys. Alec? Cairo, where are you? What? Alright, boys. Breathe in. What's wrong? Okay, man. Okay, bro. I'll talk to you later.